The transformation of cloud banking. Redefining the financial sector. The rise of cloud banking represents a monumental shift in the financial services industry. Traditional banking systems, once reliant on extensive on-premises infrastructure, are now giving way to cloud-based solutions that offer unprecedented opportunities for innovation, efficiency, and customer engagement. Here's an in-depth look at how cloud banking is revolutionizing the financial landscape. Unmatched scalability and flexibility. Cloud banking delivers a level of scalability and flexibility that traditional systems simply cannot match. With cloud computing, banks can effortlessly adjust their resources to meet varying demands, whether it's handling a surge in transactions or scaling down during quieter periods. This adaptability allows financial institutions to respond quickly to market changes and growth opportunities without the constraints of physical infrastructure. 2. Cost savings and efficiency. One of the primary benefits of cloud banking is cost efficiency. Traditional banking systems require significant investment in hardware and ongoing maintenance. In contrast, cloud computing offers a pay-as-you-go model, reducing the need for hefty upfront capital expenditures and operational costs. Banks can streamline their budgets and reallocate resources to more strategic initiatives, enhancing overall financial health. 3. Advanced data management and insights. Data is a crucial asset in today's banking world, and cloud platforms excel in managing and analyzing it. Cloud banking solutions provide robust data storage and advanced analytics capabilities, allowing banks to process large volumes of information and gain valuable insights. By leveraging these tools, banks can enhance their decision-making, improve risk management, and offer more personalized services to their customers. 4. Enhanced security and compliance. Security and regulatory compliance remain top priorities in the banking sector. Cloud providers invest heavily in security measures such as data encryption, sophisticated firewalls, and continuous monitoring. Banks must ensure that their cloud solutions meet stringent regulatory requirements and implement their own security protocols. By combining the advanced security features of cloud services with their internal safeguards, banks can protect sensitive data and maintain trust. 5. Accelerated innovation and agility. The cloud environment fosters innovation by enabling rapid experimentation and deployment. Banks can quickly develop and launch new products and services without the delays and costs associated with upgrading physical infrastructure. This agility also supports the